There have been calls from around the world for Israel to stop attacking healthcare centers following strikes on southern Gaza's Nasser hospital that killed 20 people. Officials and witnesses at the hospital say the Israel military struck again, killing journalists, rescue workers and medics who had rushed to the scene to help. The European Commission has condemned the attack, saying the cycle of violence needs to stop.
The killing of 5 journalists, 4 health workers and a number of civilians in Gaza by an Israeli strike which targeted the Nasser hospital, leaving at least 20 people killed, is completely unacceptable. Civilians and journalists must be protected under international law. There have been too many fatalities in this conflict. It must end now. Civilians in Gaza have been suffering for far too long and far too much, and it is time to break the cycle of violence and of suffering.
The United Nations has also criticized the strikes.
Secretary General strongly condemns the killings of Palestinians in Israeli strikes that hit Nasser Hospital in Khan Yunis in the Gaza Strip. Those killed, in addition to civilians, included medical personnel and journalists. We want to extend our condolences to families and colleagues of those journalists killed, especially those representative of the Associated Press, Reuters, and Al Jazeera who are in this room or online. These latest horrific killings highlight the extreme risks that medical personnel and journalists face as they carry out their vital work amidst this brutal conflict. The Secretary General recalls that civilians, including medical personnel and journalists, must be respected and protected at all times.
Meanwhile, Germany says that Israeli military's actions are unacceptable.
Das, was die israelische Regierung dort tut und was die israelische Armee in der
What
Ausführung dessen,
the Israeli government is doing there and what the Israeli army is doing in carrying out the Israeli government's wishes is unacceptable. Monday's events cast a dark shadow over what is otherwise, in every respect, a justified course of action against Hamas. The damage to the civilian population, to uninvolved third parties, in this case, hospital staff, patients, and journalists, is a consequence of this massive military action.
The UN Security Council is expected to hold its regular monthly briefing on the Palestinian question, which will address the ongoing conflict, humanitarian crisis, and broader regional developments. Bonolo Maribe, SABC News.